To another new video on my gold analysis. First and foremost, I would like to use this chance for those of you guys that are newly subscribing to my group. Thank you and keep the energy up, and I hope to be able to provide more videos for you guys to help you guys that are newbie joining and trying to learn what is this World Cup for us and how to profit from it. So first and foremost, when we go to our daily time frame on gold analysis, we can see that gold has been making a lot of bearish movement lately. So just hold on. You can see that gold has been making a lot of bearish movement, and sorry guys for this whole cluster analysis on my impulse and correction. So that is for me to be able to analyze when the market is going to reverse, and we can see the phase I am on. So later I'm going to still share some video on my strategy and how I use all this impulse correction in addition to my price action strategy as well. So initially I trade wave theory and analysis for those of you guys that don't know. So moving on, we are going to talk about the analysis on gold today, which is that gold has been making a very bearish movement, but initially we start to see some opposite movement, and the reason for this is that first, if we go on the daily time frame, we can see that the market is making a lot of rejection after hitting this strong supply zone, and since then it's not able to go back to the lowest point that it has been since Monday. So if we go to the 4 hours, we want to also see some perspective from it. We can see that this gold now is creating a lot of rejection at this zone here, which is also, let's go to the 1 hour time frame and use our Fibonacci line to draw and see what is going on, which is also the 61% zone. This is a very good confluence for us to start to look into the opposite. And in addition to my final perspective and confluence, I can see that gold has been making a downtrend line and respecting the trend line throughout this week, but we can see that now gold start to break the trend line slowly by slowly, and eventually it's going to break up and come back to retest. So what is my perspective for this week, and what should we be looking towards on? So since gold has already rejected on this 61 zone, and we can see that it's not able to come back here to retest, which means there's also a lot of demand zone here. So if we look into this week perspective, my idea would be that we should be expecting that this gold will go up around here, come back to retest around this zone or around here, then before we can expect the gold to fly to the all-time high. My perspective, my long-term perspective is still that gold is still going to fly. So make sure you are staying in tune. As soon as gold start to make a very good movement, we can be able to catch many pips, and this should be about, hold on guys, so this should be about 974 pips, which is a lot of pips. So we better be preparing ourselves, preparing our accounts to be able to take the massive move. Even if we are not able to take all, at least 50% is going to do a lot to our account, and we are going to be able to see a lot happening within this month as a whole. This is initially going to take long based on my perspective, but we cannot tell due to the news going on in Japan and other things going on around the world. We can expect gold to fly anytime soon. So for now, make sure you are just looking for buy opportunities on gold, as well as looking at the market perspective to be able to tell if you want to take short time retracement, which is also the correction. In regards to that, I also want to use this chance to thank you guys that are subscribing to my channel. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for the support. Thank you for watching my videos. Also, please try to like and share my videos to more and new people, so I can be able to reach more people. And as soon as I'm uploading my videos on my strategy on how I trade, what are these impulse correction, what do I mean by the supply zone, demand zone, what is the effect they are playing, there can be more people that can be able to help with my video, which is initially my plan. So that is it for me. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for staying into and coming back to this channel. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you, and see you in my next video.